This is Eder from Mezcal Agua and today we're gonna do a riff on a Canadian classic cocktail, the Caesar. So we're gonna start with 1/4 ounce of Carrol Co bloody mix. That's gonna add a little bit of heat and spice. And we're gonna do 3 ounces of the classic Walters mix. We're gonna do 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And then 1.5 ounces of Mezcal Agua. I'm gonna add a bit of ice in the shaker, and I'm gonna throw the drink. Throwing is a technique so that you aerate as well as mix the ingredients in the drink. And the ice here is gonna dilute it just enough that it's ready to go and be served on the rocks. So we rim the glass with a mix of tajin, which is dehydrated chili powder from Mexico, and maguey worm salt, which is the salt that is enjoyed when you're drinking mezcal itself. And then we're gonna garnish with a skewer with a cocktail onion, sweet pickle, pepperette, and olive.